Okay guys, get ready for a 3.5-minute workout here. I want you to start with a jog in place. Just start jogging in place, light on your feet, get your hands moving, and as you're getting comfortable, go a little faster, a little faster, a little faster. Good job, good job. Okay, good. All right, now we're gonna go in, out, out. In, out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out. Good job, just keep moving those feet. Good, just perfecting your footwork. All right, good job everyone, good job. Just keep that moving, in, out, out. Good, we're gonna burn out the legs a little bit here. Now we're gonna go 1, 2, back, 1, 2, back, 1, 2, back, 1, 2, back, 1, 2, back. All right, I'm just kind of trying to switch it up, keep it fun for you guys, okay? If you can't quite get the feet exactly right, it's not a big deal. I just want you moving. The whole point is just to be moving, burning those legs out, getting that heart rate up. All right, good job, everyone, good job. All right, next I want you on the ground, okay? We are gonna do glute raises. Now notice that my toes are dorsiflexed, my feet are dorsiflexed actually, and that means my toes are up, my palms are facing up, and I'm just pushing my hips as high as I can to the ceiling. You're gonna feel this in your hamstrings and your glutes. This is a great exercise, really good for preventing knee pain and strengthening those hamstrings and those glutes. All right, now you're gonna stay on the floor. I want you to spread your legs apart a little bit, and we're gonna do sit-ups, okay? You're just touching the middle in between your legs, and then you're coming back all the way back. So you're just gonna keep those going strong. Just keep on going, working those abs, working those hip flexors. All right, this looks great, everyone. Just keep this moving. All right, good job, good job. Keep it going strong, keep it going strong. It's all mental. All right, this is why your mind is strengthened when you work your muscles. Okay, now we are going to a push-up on our forearms. This is gonna work those traps. Okay, so you're on your forearms, but you're doing a push-up. It's a very slight range of motion. It's not a real large range of motion, and you're gonna feel it. I mean, it's great. All right, now you are on your hands and your feet, and you are kicking that leg out, and that hand comes up so that your leg can kick out. Okay, you're just kicking your right foot over to the left and your left foot over to the right. Okay, this is another core exercise, working on hip mobility here as well. Okay, now we're standing back up, we're bent over a little bit, we're gonna pretend we're doing the ropes. We're going ropes and we're alternating, going fast, 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 fast. Good job, guys. Now we're gonna go 2 at a time, 2 at a time. Good, keep going strong, keep going strong. Good, now in and out, in and out, in and out. Good, 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 good. You pretend you're holding the ropes. Now we're gonna stand up and go in and out, in and out. Good, now forward, 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 forward. Good, good, in and out again, in and out. And we're gonna go back to forward, forward, forward. Now we're going overhead, overhead. Fast, fast, fast. Good job, guys, good job. All right, perfect. Nice workout today, guys. Really good job. All right, go out, make it a great day.